Is the DJI Mini 3 drone finally the budget-friendly option we've all been waiting for? Snag the DJI Mini 3 drone right now for just $359 on Amazon before it sells out. The DJI Mini 3 drone has finally landed, and it's making waves in the drone market with its incredible features and affordability. Priced at just $359, this little powerhouse is turning heads. Finding a high-quality drone that's also affordable has always been a challenge. The market is flooded with options, but most of them sacrifice performance for a lower price tag. What makes the DJI Mini 3 stand out is its perfect blend of features and affordability. It's not just another drone. It's a game changer. One of the main reasons the DJI Mini 3 shines is its ability to offer so much without breaking the bank. You get a top-notch drone that's perfect for both beginners and seasoned flyers. The drone market is filled with compromises, but the DJI Mini 3 seems to have hit the sweet spot. Its compact size and lightweight design make it incredibly portable. The DJI Mini 3 boasts an impressive array of features. It comes equipped with a high-quality camera that can capture stunning footage. Flight time is also a major selling point, as it can stay airborne for a respectable amount of time. When it comes to ease of use, the DJI Mini 3 truly excels. It's designed to be user-friendly. Let's dive deeper into what makes the DJI Mini 3 tick. The camera quality is exceptional, capable of shooting in 4K. This makes it perfect for capturing life's precious moments in stunning detail. Flight time is another area where the DJI Mini 3 impresses. You can expect up to 30 minutes of flight time, which is pretty standard for drones in this class. In terms of performance, the DJI Mini 3 does not disappoint. The real test comes when you unbox and fly the DJI Mini 3 for the first time. As I powered it on and took it for a spin, I was immediately struck by its responsiveness. The drone handled beautifully, navigating through obstacles with ease. One of its unique functionalities is the ability to perform complex maneuvers effortlessly. The DJI Mini 3 truly delivers on its promises. Its performance in real time is impressive. With its impressive specs and user-friendly interface, it's clear that DJI has put a lot of thought into making this drone accessible to everyone. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced pilot, you'll find the DJI Mini 3 to be a joy to fly. In conclusion, the DJI Mini 3 drone offers incredible value at $359. It packs a punch with its features and performance. If you're in the market for a reliable and fun drone, the DJI Mini 3 is definitely worth considering. If you've got any thoughts on the DJI Mini 3, I'd love to hear them. Drop a comment below. Also, if you're interested in more drone reviews, be sure to check out my other video where I review another fantastic drone that's perfect for beginners.